Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to share the October Callaloo box. I haven't received one of these in a while, so I'm excited to share this month's box. It is focused on Diwali because Diwali is in a few weeks. So it's the Indo-Trin Begonian box. So I'm excited to share what I got this month. I know Anita is going to enjoy this video. She's been messaging me about the Callaloo box for a long time. And if you've never heard about Callaloo box, it's an online subscription service. For those of you who live in the US and you can't find West Indian products where you live, you can find it online on www.callaloobox.com. You can subscribe to get boxes every month, or you can shop on their online grocery. So I hope you all check them out, and I hope you enjoy what's in this month's box. So as always, when you open up your Callaloo box, the first thing you get is a nice little thank you card, and I love that they always write the person's name on it, which is so cool. They tell you a little bit about the two sisters who started up the Callaloo box and why they started it, just a little background, and they tell you a little bit about Trinidad and Tobago as well. I just started to salivate as soon as I saw this picture. So because it's Diwali this month, they decided to do a Diwali themed box. They also did one last year, which was really cool. I did a few recipes on last year's box, so I'll link it in the description box below. This pylori picture is amazing. So they tell you a little bit about what pylori is. It's a deliciously seasoned fried split pea dough, crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside. Perfect description. And then when you turn it, you get a pylori recipe, and this comes from A Taste of the Caribbean. So if I could find the blog for this recipe, I'll also link that in the description box below for you all. So it gives you all the correct measurements, and it gives you the instructions here. So that's really helpful for those of you who want to make some pylori. So next we got a little info card. Lovely picture of spices here. When you turn it over, they tell you the name of the box. So the theme is the Indo-Trin Begonian box. Because it's Diwali, it's fitting that they dedicate this box to the Indo-Trin Begonian community of Trinidad and Tobago. First thing we got is some ground split peas or ground dal. So it tells you what it is and what it would be good for. So it would be good for pylori sahina. It would also be good for karhi, which is a main dish that we make for Diwali. It's like a dal, and it has little boulders or pylori-like balls in the curry. Then we got pamsite kuchula, which goes great as a condiment for the pylori or the sahina, or even just to eat with the food, or even just to eat as a side dish. We got some mango achar, some garlic coconut oil, some saffron powder or turmeric powder. So back home we call turmeric saffron, even though they're two totally different ingredients, but let's save that for next day. We got some ground chana or ground chickpeas and some curry powder, and as a dessert we got some kurma. And you can find Callaloo box on Instagram and on Facebook at Callaloo box. So the first ingredient here is the saffron or the turmeric powder. This is a very important ingredient for Diwali. We use some of this in our curries, and we also add this to pylori batter. We add it to the curry. So it is a main ingredient in Indo-Trin Begonian cooking. And here we have a little snack. Diwali is not the same without kurma, right? And Caribbean Treats make some really nice kurma. So I can't wait to dig into this. So we got some curry powder here. Curry is probably the main ingredient in most of our dishes for Diwali. So you know you have to have enough curry on hand. We got some ground split peas here or ground dal. This is really important for Diwali as well because the main dish that we make is karhi, and we use ground dal to make that sauce and to make the boulders that goes into the karhi. And you'll also need some split peas or dal to make your pylori, your sahina, kachori, all the good stuff. We got some ground chana here as well. This will go great in kachori, or you can add this to your roti dough. It goes great in roti dough as well. We got some pamsite kuchula. So this is gonna go great as a side dish or as a condiment. It's definitely a must-have for Diwali. You must have your kuchula. And lastly, we got the mango achar. The mango achar is similar to like a mango curry or curry mango. It's so tasty, and honestly I love eating this with roti, so you can't go wrong with some mango achar. So I thought the mango achar was the last one, but the CGA garlic infused coconut oil was hiding in there. Such a lovely oil. I've used this before, and honestly it goes great in salads. You drizzle it over a salad, or even to chunky a pot. Because it's garlic infused, the oil really tends to hold that garlic flavor, and it just makes the dish taste so much different. I really recommend using this.